Hello guys, this is David from mm3digital.com, and today I will show you how to install and activate Office 2021. First of all, you need to remove any old Office version you have installed. So if you have any version installed, you will see it here. Double click on it to uninstall it. How to open this page? You gotta go to Control Panel, click Control Panel, go to uninstall program, click on it, and you will see if you have here any old Office version, just double click on it to uninstall it. So to start the downloading, you need this file. I will leave the download link on the video description, or you will receive it via email if you bought from our website. So this file has two files, okay, the setup and the configuration, okay, and you will need this command. Okay, so to start the installation process, go to CMD, go to the search bar, type CMD, right click here and click run as administrator. Click yes, and here we go. Here type cd and the path of the file. This file that you downloaded, copy the path of the file where you place it. Copy this, right click and copy, and paste it here. Space first, space between CD and then paste it here. Okay, click enter. Now you are on this file from CMD. So all you need to do is copy this command and paste it here, and it will start the installation of your Office. That's it. I will leave this comment on the video below in the description. You can copy it from there. It's so simple, just copy paste here and it will start automatically. It will take some time, it depends on your PC performance. And that's it, Office has been installed. Click close, and on the search bar type any Office app you want, for example Word. Open it and go to the account section here and click change product key. Here where you need to enter the activation key we sent you to activate your Office, and after you enter the key, click activate. That's it, product has been activated. Now you can open any file and check. If you face any problem, just contact us via WhatsApp or email.